Want this?
Some girls, I feel like you're up to something.
Go to Effects and find Shake. Speed 100, intensity 50. Expand the timeline fully and adjust the length of shake like this. Now add keyframes like this. Speed 100, intensity 30. Speed 70, intensity 20. Speed 70, intensity 10. Speed 40, intensity 10. Again, go to Effects and find Vibration Flash. Speed 70, intensity 100, glow 100, range 100. Now adjust like I do. Adjust in such a way that maximum blur fall on the middle of two clips, as you can see. Go to Animation and apply Rock Vertical, 0.1 second like I do. Follow the same animation with other clips. Also copy the effect to other clips too. At last you can add white flash of 0.1 second like this. If you don't know to use white flash, watch short tutorial video in my channel. Link is in description.